Welcome. Today we're going to explore some essential keyboard shortcuts that will help you work faster and more efficiently. Whether you're copying text, cutting out unnecessary content, or quickly saving your work, these shortcuts will save you time and effort. Let's dive in. Firstly, we're going to use Ctrl and C to quickly copy content from one place to another. Highlight some text with your mouse or keyboard that you want to go through and copy. Press Ctrl and C simultaneously on your keyboard to copy the selected content. Navigate to another part of the document and press Ctrl and V to paste the copied content. You can use Ctrl and V to paste the content as many times as required in different locations until new content is copied or cut. You can use Ctrl and X to quickly move content from one place to another without the need for manual deletion. Again, let's highlight some text that you want to cut. Press Ctrl and X simultaneously on your keyboard to cut the selected content. This will remove the text from its original location and store it in the clipboard, a temporary storage area. Navigate to another part of the document and press Ctrl and V to paste the cut contents into the new location. You can use Ctrl and V to paste the content as many times as required in different locations until new content is copied or cut. We can seamlessly copy text from one application and paste it into another. Let's start with an example where we have a table in Excel that we want to copy to Word. Simply select the table you wish to copy in Excel. Press Ctrl and C simultaneously on your keyboard to copy the selected content, and then switch over to Word. Once in Word, place your cursor where you want the table to go and press Ctrl and V to paste the copied content. This method is not just limited to Excel and Word. You can use it to transfer text across various applications, such as from a Word document to an email. Made a mistake? Deleted or changed some text in the document that you did not mean? No worries. Just press Ctrl and Z to undo the last action. This will revert the changes to the previous state. Make it a habit to save your work frequently with Ctrl and S to prevent losing any changes. Modify or update content in your document as needed. To ensure your progress is saved at any time, simply press Ctrl and S on your keyboard. If you're saving the document for the first time, the Save As dialog box will appear, allowing you to choose a location and file name. If the document has been saved previously, pressing Ctrl and S will instantly save your changes without any prompts. Regularly using Ctrl and S helps safeguard your work and provides peace of mind. You've now learnt 5 essential keyboard shortcuts that will make your work easier and faster. Try using these shortcuts in your daily tasks and see how much time you can save. Thanks for watching.